Blocked pumps are normally caused by loose articles in pockets, such as coins or jewellery. Other items could include hair grips and, on occasion, bra wires, which may be drawn through the machine into the pump. Please ensure you check your pockets before commencing a wash cycle. Your appliance may display one or more of the following faults: wet clothes after the final spin, longer than expected cycle times, excessive water levels at the end of the cycle. These may all indicate you have a blocked pump. Before we start, please ensure the appliance is disconnected from the power supply. When carrying out this procedure, we recommend using a towel to absorb any spilt water, a baking tray or bowl to catch any surplus water from the pump, and a filter repair kit in case of any damage to the filter. Firstly, to gain access to the pump filter, which is housed behind the plinth at the front of the appliance, remove the plinth. To protect your flooring from water spillage, place a thick towel and a small dish or baking tray, for example, on the floor to collect any water from the pump. We recommend that the filter is cleaned on a regular basis. Under normal circumstances, we would expect to see approximately half a pint of water draining out of the pump. To remove the remaining water, slowly turn the filter anti-clockwise until the water flows into your bowl or tray. To reduce the flow of water, simply tighten the filter again. Once all of the water has been removed, remove the filter from the pump assembly and check for any debris inside the pump housing. Please be careful of any sharp objects which may have found their way into the pump. Once the filter has been cleaned, replace it back into its housing and turn the filter clockwise until it is fully secure. One method of checking the filter has sealed completely before starting a full wash is to pour a jug of water into the drum of your appliance. Any leakage can be cured by retightening the filter. One point to note is that if the above procedure does not resolve your issue, you may have experienced an out of balance condition. Please consult your user handbook for advice on this.